Frustrated with the CUDA Solver 64 DLL crash ruining your 3D rendering? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer, and I'll ensure your hardware and engine are communicating perfectly. I've linked the primary utility for CUDA Solver 64 in the description to help you skip the manual fix. This DLL file is a CUDA library for high-level numerical solvers. It provides routines for solving dense and sparse linear systems, widely used in scientific research and engineering simulations on PC. Now that you're up to speed on the file's role, let's begin the repair process. The CUDA Solver 64 10 DLL functions as a core component of your graphics or audio runtime. To fix this, perform a clean installation of the Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime for legacy DirectX support, and update your graphics drivers if the file is part of a hardware-accelerated framework. Persistence of this error after a clean reinstall suggests that the issue may reside within the current user session's initialization. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes re-establish a broken link to the CUDA Solver 64 file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. Before you proceed, let's touch on the essential safety standards for handling shared library files. I strongly advise you to prioritize system safety by avoiding manual swaps of the CUDA Solver 6410. Third-party DLL sites are a primary vector for hackers to inject ransomware directly into your operating system's core. To support your system's overall health without the complexity of manual directory management, a maintenance utility is a solid option. If you're addressing the CUDA Solver 64 inconsistencies or system resource gaps, the link below provides informational maintenance resources. I'm Sophie Chen, and I appreciate you watching. If this guide saved the CUDA Solver 64 workflow, please subscribe for more professional troubleshooting and tech advice.